Welcome to our roundup of the best garden kneeling bench options. Whether you're planting flowers, trimming hedges, or maintaining your backyard, a reliable garden kneeler can make a huge difference in comfort and efficiency. We've carefully selected top-rated kneeling benches that combine durability, ergonomic support, and practical features to help reduce strain on your knees and back. From lightweight foldable designs to heavy-duty multifunctional benches, there's something here for every type of gardener. We'll break down each model's key features like weight capacity, cushioning, portability, and versatility so you can find the perfect fit for your gardening needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal garden kneeling bench for you. The first on the list is the KVR Garden Kneeler. The KVR kneeler is designed to provide comfort and support for gardeners who spend long hours tending to their plants. With its soft EVA foam cushion, sturdy steel frame, and dual-function design, it offers a well-balanced combination of durability and usability. The thick cushioning helps reduce pressure on your knees, making it ideal for planting or weeding. When flipped over, it transforms into a comfortable seat, allowing you to take a break or work at a higher level without bending too much. Built with a strong steel frame, this kneeler supports a solid weight capacity, ensuring stability even on uneven ground. The side handles are especially helpful when standing up, reducing strain on your legs and lower back. This makes it a great option for older users or anyone dealing with joint discomfort. Its compact folding design allows for easy storage in your garage or shed, and it can be carried around your garden without hassle. Another standout feature is its included tool pouch, which attaches to the side for convenient access to your gardening tools. This helps keep everything organized and within reach, saving you time and effort during your tasks. While it may not be the most premium option on the market, it delivers reliable performance for everyday gardening needs. Overall, the KVR kneeler is a practical and affordable choice for beginners and casual gardeners who want comfort, support, and convenience in one simple design. Next up is the BB Buy Folding Garden Kneeler Bench. This model stands out for its thoughtful design and versatility. Featuring extra thick padding, foldable lightweight frame, and convenient tool pouches, it provides a comfortable and user-friendly gardening experience. The padding is noticeably thicker than many competitors, offering superior knee protection during extended gardening sessions. The frame is built from durable steel, ensuring long-lasting performance while remaining lightweight enough to easy transport. It folds down quickly, making it perfect for gardeners with limited storage space or those who prefer a portable solution. Whether you're working in your backyard or taking it to a community garden, this kneeler is easy to carry and set up. Comfort is a major highlight here. Overall, the BB Buy Kneeler Bench is a versatile and comfortable option that delivers excellent value, especially for those who want a lightweight and easy-to-store gardening companion. Next, we have the CZZI Garden Kneeler and Seat. The CZZI kneeler is built for durability and heavy-duty use, making it a great option for serious gardeners. With its reinforced metal frame, wide kneeling pad, and multi-purpose design, it offers both strength and comfort in one package. The reinforced frame provides excellent stability, allowing it to handle heavier users without wobbling or bending. The kneeling pad is wider than many standard models, giving you more room to move and adjust your position comfortably. This is especially helpful for longer gardening sessions where you need flexibility and support. The thick foam padding ensures your knees stay protected even when working on hard or rocky surfaces. One of the key advantages of this model is its versatility. It easily converts from a kneeler to a seat, making it suitable for a variety of tasks like planting, pruning, or even indoor chores. The side handles offer additional support when standing up, which can significantly reduce strain on your joints. It also includes large tool pouches that provide ample storage for your gardening essentials. The design is simple yet highly functional, focusing on delivering reliable performance rather than unnecessary extras. The only downside might be that it's slightly heavier than some other models, but this added weight contributes to its durability. Overall, the CZZI kneeler and seat is a solid choice for those who need a strong, stable, and comfortable gardening solution that can handle more demanding tasks. Next, the Luckier More Garden Kneeler. This kneeler is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners. It features ergonomic cushioning, heavy-duty steel construction, and quick fold mechanism, which together create a reliable and easy-to-use gardening tool. The ergonomic cushion provides excellent support for your knees, reducing fatigue during extended use. The heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability and stability, even when used frequently. It can support a high weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The side handles are strategically positioned to help you stand up with ease, minimizing strain on your body. One of its standout features is the quick fold mechanism. This allows you to collapse the kneeler in seconds, making storage and transportation incredibly convenient. Whether you're moving around your garden or storing it away after use, the process is hassle-free. The kneeler also includes detachable tool pouches, giving you easy access to your gardening tools. This added functionality makes your work more efficient and organized. While it may not have the widest kneeling pad, it still offers a comfortable and supportive surface for most users. Overall, the Luckier More Kneeler is a dependable and user-friendly option that combines comfort, durability, and portability, making it a great addition to any gardener's toolkit. The last one on our list is the Law Foldable Garden Kneeler Seat. The Law Kneeler stands out as a premium option with a focus on comfort and modern design. It comes equipped with extra-wide kneeling surface, high-quality cushioning padding, and enhanced stability frame, making it one of the most comfortable choices available. The wide kneeling surface provides ample space, allowing you to move freely without feeling restricted. The high-quality cushioning offers superior support, ensuring your knees remain comfortable even during long gardening sessions. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize comfort above all else. The enhanced stability frame ensures a secure and balanced experience, whether you're kneeling or sitting. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, while the sturdy construction ensures long-term durability. The included tool bags are spacious and well-designed, allowing you to keep all your essentials within reach. This adds to the overall convenience and efficiency of your gardening routine. Overall, the Law Kneeler Seat is a top-tier option that delivers exceptional comfort, stability, and functionality, making it perfect for those who want the best gardening experience possible. So that's it for the best garden kneeling benches on the market. Each of these options offers unique features to suit different needs, whether you prioritize portability, durability, or maximum comfort. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.